Hey guys, it's Toll. Today I'm going to be showing you how Panda Hopper is useless. So number one is like, if you try to play like this, I'm going to delete the app. And what I'm going to try to do is, you see that I still have only Panda Hopper, and then if you try to like make it go on the second day, if you make it try to go on, like say if you wanted it to go work, then if I try it again, there is 5 things useless. So when I had did the first one, now I'm on to the second one. That the reason why this is useless. The reason why it's useless is because there's also another thing that could actually improve this. It can improve by not having to like trust the developer. So yeah. It only works on some phones. It's like, you see, it's gonna go 1, 2. It's only going to go 1, 2 seconds in, and then people always try to go ahead and download it again, and without deleting it. That's what my cousin does, and he still says that it still crashes. He's sleeping in like my room right now. He's actually sleeping because he's a deep sleeper, so he always pauses it, and that's why it was working for him today, but it's not working on my phone. I don't know why. And look, if I do it again, it's still not gonna work. He said he just loads it and pauses it every single time. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Look, you can't even go into any app. It's like you have to do this. So first, I go on airplane mode, and I don't have the cellular on, and my Wi-Fi is currently off. And then I'm going to turn my Wi-Fi back off. Then I go into here. So then my cousin was just lying. He did not actually do something to that. He said he goes to Panda Helper. He's still watching YouTube. He's still watching YouTube while he's sleeping. And I'm not paying attention to that because he's watching CJ, who is so cool, I guess. And I'm making a YouTube video, and then he says, while it's downloading, you want to hurry up, go to your settings, airplane mode, and that's how he did it. And then you can't load up into here. So my Wi-Fi is off. and look, I go into general, profiles, management. Yeah, so then you need a network. So then he turns that back off. Then he goes back to the general. Then he goes to his profiles. Then he goes to verify app. And what he does is he closes the settings like 5 seconds. Turn airplane mode on. And then look. He tries to do it at this. And he turned this back off. Yeah. So yeah, he doesn't, like, for him it works, but not for me. So then guys, if you think that Panda Helper is like a really good app, I will try Coconut or Tweakbox, which I will leave them in the description, and then you can go ahead and go to those and try those. Oh yeah, this is the end of the video. Bye. And also, before I stop this recording, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notifications when I post a new video. See you.